Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashvircreations from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video we are going to create a very classic photo manipulation that would be very helpful for your Instagram profile. Well, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then do subscribe and press the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this. And if you're new if you haven't pressed the bell icon, then just press it and just log on to our website www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, PNG, color lookup, camera filter, every kind of photo editing material just for free. Well, let's get to the Photoshop. Open the photo which you want to edit. Now we'll select the photo by using the quick select tool from the toolbox. Now click on this plus icon to make the selection. Just roll all over the body of the subject to make it selected. And again we have to follow the same method to select the hairs. Now right click on it and select and mask option from there. Make sure you have checked this second refined edge brush tool and click on this plus icon. Now just roll on the edge of the hairs to make that selection. This will automatically select the hairs. And now just press OK. And all you need to do is just right click on it and select layer via copy option, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make it selection. Now all you have to do is let's add some background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file, click on open, and then just select the background which we want to add. Here is our background. Here is my background. So I'm just dragging it and drop. You can press Ctrl A to select all and just copy. Press Ctrl C and just press Ctrl V to paste it. Or you can drag and drop. Or you can directly drag and drop the background here. Press Ctrl T to transform it. Now I'll just adjust the background. Now all you have to do is just adjust the background, and you can crop the area which you don't want or which you want in your photograph. Let's increase this area. You can also increase from here. And just press enter to make that area. Now press crop tool to crop it. And let's here we have already done the adjustment of the final cropping. So all you have to do is now just there is something remaining, I think. Yes, the ears are remaining to select it. So I will select the pen tool to make it selection and just make that area selected. Press Ctrl Enter to make it selection. Press Ctrl Z to copy that layer and just paste it over here. Let's select eraser tool. And just merge both the layers. So finally almost we have completed our Now the final thing is to add some blur to the photograph. So I will select the blur tool from here and make sure you have selected the hard round brush and just blur the edge of the subject. Only the edge you have to blur, because it is very important during the photo editing, because it will create a very unique and a natural look on the photograph. It will actually look the realistic. It won't look like you have edited the photograph. So I recommend you to blur the edge of the subject whenever you do the editing or the cutting of the image, you should always blur the subject's edge so that it will look more natural and realistic, which we actually want. Let's blur on this side also. Make sure that everything is covered up, nothing is remaining to blur. Also the very small portion should also be blurred in a perfect way. So this is how I do the blurring. This is a very key point in the photography, because you don't want your friends or other people to say that it is a very unreal or unrealistic or unnatural photograph, because your photograph should look very natural and realistic, like you have captured from the camera. So it is very mandatory to blur the edge. It will hide the cutting of your image, which we want general. Also don't forget to blur on the edge of the faces also. Just like this way you have to blur it. And finally here we have almost completed our blurring process. Yes, now finally we have completed. Now all you have to do is just give it a very unique filter or color lookup. Let's first of all we will blur the background a little bit. If you want you can, otherwise it's fine. Otherwise you just go to the color lookup and add some LUTs to the photograph. Let's add some LUT. You should add very realistic, that it should be looking very real and natural one. Let's select this black and white LUT. I really like this LUT. So just select and give this, and all you have to do is just merge all the layers from here, or else you can give a little bit of shadows on the background. So let's create some shadows. Create new layer and just select the brush tool from here and select the black color over here. Increase the size of the brush and just paint on any of the side of the subject. Let's make it here. Only a minor portion of shadow should be given. So that it will look very realistic and natural, which we actually want in our photograph. Just give it on only one side of the subject. Now let's decrease the opacity or change it to multiply and just decrease the opacity of the background. And finally here it is, almost done. Now all you have to do is just merge all the layers from here. So let's right click on it and select merge layer option from here. You can blur it, zoom it and see whether it is something remaining or not. So finally here we have done the blurring process. So let's select hue and saturation from here and just select the red color and change the red color to a little bit of yellowish, only a little 1%, and just increase the lightness to +5, so it will change the red color to our skin color. Now just merge both the layers. Now let's go to the filter, then select camera filter from there and just give a vignette to the photograph. So we'll add some vignette to the photograph. So we'll go to the FX tab and then just give a little bit of vignette on the photo. This is how you have to give. There is something remaining, yes. Let's press Ctrl Z. Yes. Now press Ctrl L to adjust the color tone. So we will just make it more darker. Yeah, now it seems very real. Here you can see the preview. I'll just press OK. Now let's merge all the layers. Press Ctrl U and change it to a little bit of yellowish, or let's don't change, just go to the filter and select camera filter. Go to the FX tab and just give a little bit of vignette to the photograph. And just increase the feather. Now we'll go to the HSL tab and select red color from there. Change the red color. Change the yellow color, orange to +5 or +3. You can decrease or you can decrease the saturation if you want a little bit of, and also from the red also you can decrease the saturation. And that's it. Here we have almost completed our process. If you want to add some more effect, you can add it from user preset, which I have already given, but it's fine. I don't think it is necessary. And just press OK. So here is our very classy look, very perfect classy look of the photograph. Here you can see the before and after. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then press the like button and just subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new video. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new background, PNG, color lookup and every kind of photo editing stuff for free. And yes, very important thing is to just follow me on Instagram. Yes, you can follow, search that ashvircreations in the Instagram and just do follow my page or account. You can directly message me over there. Well, thank you for the video and bye bye till the next video.